What's up, everyone? It's Marcus Martin with Willands Tech Auto in Ferndale, your family-owned auto repair shop. Willands Tech Auto is simply the best choice for automotive repair and maintenance in Whatcom County. We've been setting the standard in the community since 1937 by putting you in the driver's seat of car care. We focus on educating our customers so that they can make the best decisions possible. Our job is to make car care make sense. We are very family-oriented and take your safety very seriously. We strive to build those real, trusting relationships and give you the best automotive service that you've ever had. We will work on almost all makes and all models. We focus on long-term car care and have ASE certified technicians to make sure that we're not only diagnosing vehicles properly, but also repairing them in a timely manner so you can get back on the road as fast as possible. At Willands Tech Auto, we don't just fix cars, we install peace of mind. So come on down to 2040 Vista Drive in Ferndale, say hi, become part of the Willands Tech Auto family today.